Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. We are discussing about the candlesticks pattern on our intraday positional trading strategies. And last video we discussed about a separating line bullish, and this video we are going to do the separating line which is bearish. So we discussed about the last video detail about a bullish separating and bearish separating. So here this is called a bullish separating line and this one is the bearish separating line. This candlesticks pattern we are going to use for a continuation of the trend. So where this kind of candlesticks pattern it is forming on the trending market, so there is a continuation may happen on the trending side whenever it breaks the high about the in bullish kind type of pattern, and whenever it breaks below the lowest level we are expecting a bearish kind of pattern, right? So that I'm going to discuss here. Now here we are going to do with the another one separating line bearish. So now we will create the code on charting. If you are not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, just subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading. So let's create that. The first day candle should be green candle, right? So that one day ago open or close must be greater than open, right? So that is what the green candle, so where we are focusing for one day ago, right? So one day ago we are focusing a green candle, and the next day the open, the latest open was less than or equal to that is one day ago open. So that is what the gap down, so which you are expecting. So one day ago open, and another one the next day should be red candle, the latest close less than the open from the latest. So this should be a forming a red candle. So let's say Power Finance and the S-Cars, which forms a kind of separating line which is bearish. So let's find out PFC. Check it out. Yes, it is from previous days open. Previous is the green candle and today is the red candle. So gap down from that closing price, and now but the trend was little bit higher, but overall trend was down. Whenever it breaks below that level we may trying to focus. This is what the exact pattern we are expecting. And again the second one is S-Cards Limited. Let's go for a S-Cards where the kind of candlesticks pattern is forms. Yes, S-Cards which forms a doji like candle by yesterday, right? And it is broken that level. So let's say another confirmation, and there is a down is possible from that point of view, but the risk is very big. So almost a 65 point is the risk for the trade if you are taking. All right, and so let's go for a trending market. So ADX, we will use a ADX indicator, so that ADX is greater than somewhere the number of 30, so maybe the good trending market, correct? Whether it is going up or down, that is not an issue, right? But we will find out. Separating line, let's try it. In line bearish. First we'll shave, and we'll find out the back test. Anywhere we got a few stocks, and today September 1st we have the Maruti. Let's try it out. Maruti, what happened? Maruti, yes, as per the trend, the previous trend should be down, and it forms a candlesticks bearish, and but it is not broken the low, right? And a few days back Maruti, and the 31st August we have HAL, HAL. I think it was moving big 2 days back, that one, you got it? But here the candle is not closed above the previous candle, it is not showing the strength. So let's add a one more condition. should be closing above previous candle's high. We add one more condition. The latest close is less than 1 day ago close. Even it will find out some smaller number of stocks. 31st, how it became? Latest closed, because bearish we are expecting latest close is less than 1 day ago low we are making, so we will get such a smaller stock, less quantity. And we see on 26th August we got TechM. 26th August, this one, from that low it moves down, right? And previously any other stock, here we find out Cummins India on 20th August, Cummins India, Bajaj Auto, let's check it out. Cummins India, I think this one, but it is moving upward in trend, right? So we are expecting downtrend to continue this pattern. Okay. And Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto on 20th August, it is on previous, yeah. So could you able to see that the previous trend is clearly down and forms a pattern at this point. So it, once it is broken, it moving down. Still that is our stop loss. Still we are not yet getting our stop loss yet in this particular position. So the trend continuation, the stock must be trading in a downtrend, and whether using that candlesticks pattern, we will find out the trend is going to continue. So now the scanner is working good. It will find out the only thing. So we should find out the trend. If I remove that ADX, let's wait. We'll save it, and now we'll go for a back test. And we have such a stocks on 27th August, Indus Bank. You see 27th August here, right? The candlestick previous trend is down, and whether it is going to continue its trend below the low, there is no continuation. And before that we have two stocks. One is TechM that we already seen, Idea, leave it, so it's a very less value stock. And this time we have a lot of stocks, so we'll check it out. HDFC, and 17th HDFC, GAIL, M&M Finance. 17th August we find out such a great opportunity. 17th, this is what the 17th August, but the trend is up, but overall trend is down, so that's okay, where it is broken and it is moving down. And M&M Finance, trend is down on 17th August, where it is broken the low 146, it moves towards 138. That is also another great. And here can you able to see that is engulfing pattern, and it gives you such a great result. Okay, such a good result which is on M&M Finance. But using the candlesticks pattern, we easily filter out those stocks which forming a such a great kind of candlesticks pattern. So that was giving you such a great information what the market is going to do, right? So that is why we are making that canners. So you got some idea, and I hope this may be another useful video to you all. Thank you for watching, and I will share that on our Telegram channel. So we will save the scan now. We are done. Thank you for watching, and thank you very much.